So you are going to do a home chemistry experiment this week around the amazing properties of water, which you're also going to be doing a reading about. So the first thing is you're going to get a coffee filter that has a black line on it about a half an inch or maybe a centimeter above the bottom. Now there's a hole in the top, so if you have a little skewer or something and you can stick it in and hold it above, that's great, but otherwise you're going to stick it. You have a little bit of water. Now the issue is when I stick it in, I just want the very bottom of the paper to touch the water. I don't want the thing to be the line. The black line cannot be in the water. It needs to be above the water. So the black line needs to be above the water. Where is it going to be, everyone? Above the water. So just have the very bottom touch. So that might mean I put it in and I have to hold it. Okay, so I'm not going to show you that, what we see. That's awesome. And the other is a challenge. Okay, the other is a challenge. If you can see on the top, I actually have a paper clip floating on the water. So I want you to see if you can get a small paper clip and have it float on the water. And then you have to take a photo of it and upload it to us. Upload it to your little document. Okay, looking forward to it. We look forward to seeing what you guys get in terms of your paper too. Okay, take care. Bye.